Hello YouTube denizens, David Storm here with Picklocks.com, and what I have for you today is this US Commando Lock that we are going to attempt to rake open using SWICK and the deforest pick. So let's see how fast we can do this. Applying extremely light pressure, and there we have it, less than 1 minute, and we've opened the Commando Lock. If we had encountered a security pin, we could have gone in and used the same pick to single pin, pick that, and defeat even something like a spool pin. Amazing tool, overlooked by a lot of people, the deforest pick. Picklocks.com, I'm David Storm.